For nearly a century, the Ilyushin Design Bureau shaped the skies of Russia and beyond. From rugged bombers to iconic airliners, its aircraft carried soldiers, cargo, and passengers across continents. Yet, its story is not just one of glory, but also of struggle and missed opportunities. The Bureau was founded in 1933 by engineer Sergei Ilyushin, a visionary who believed in simplicity, strength, and endurance. His defining creation was the Ilyushin II Stormovik, the flying tanker of the Second World War. With over 36,000 built, it became the most produced combat aircraft in history. Its armor and firepower devastated German tanks, turning the tide in countless battles. But success came at a cost. Pilots called the Ilyushin II the flying coffin due to heavy losses in the early war years. Still, it remains one of the Soviet Union's greatest aviation triumphs. After the war, Ilyushin turned to civil aviation. The Ilyushin IL-12 and the Ilyushin IL-14 became dependable workhorses of Aeroflot. Then came the Ilyushin 18 turboprop airline, a true Soviet success story, reliable, long-range, and capable of harsh conditions. It became one of the world's most successful turboprops, flying well into the 21st century in some regions. Here, Ilyushin proved that it could rival Western designs, not with glamour but with resilience. During the Cold War, Ilyushin diversified. The Ilyushin 28 jet bomber was the Soviet Union's first truly successful jet bomber, exported widely and serving for decades. But perhaps the most enduring Ilyushin legacy is the Ilyushin 76 Candid, a heavy cargo aircraft first flown in 1971. With its high wings, rugged landing gear, and massive payload, the Ilyushin 76 became the backbone of Soviet and later Russian military transport. It remains in production today, a symbol of durability and adaptability. Not all Ilyushin projects succeeded. The Ilyushin 62 long-range jetliner was the Soviets' answer to the Boeing 707. While reliable, it was outclassed in efficiency by Western rivals. Its successor, the Ilyushin 86 widebody, suffered from high fuel consumption and limited export appeal. Then came the Ilyushin 96, a technologically advanced widebody in the 1990s, but by then, Western competition was overwhelming. Few airlines bought it, and sanctions further restricted its use. What could have been Ilyushin's global breakthrough instead became a cautionary tale of lost opportunity. Please do consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel, as it will help it grow. It is also the spur that encourages me to make more videos, especially after hard days' work. After the Soviet collapse, Ilyushin struggled. Russian airliners turned to Boeing and Airbus. Projects like the Ilyushin 114 regional turboprop never gained traction. The once mighty design bureau risked fading into history, overshadowed by newer competitors like Sukhoi in the civilian market. Yet Ilyushin endures. Its lifeline is the Ilyushin 76, modernized as the Ilyushin 76 MD-90A, still vital to Russia's military and humanitarian missions. The Ilyushin 112 and the Ilyushin 114 projects aim to revive domestic aircraft production, though with mixed success. Ilyushin may no longer compete head-to-head with global airliner giants, but its aircraft remains symbols of ruggedness and reliability. For Russia, they are a reminder of a proud past and a hope for an independent aerospace future. From the battlefields of World War II to the skies of global civil aviation, Ilyushin's story is one of resilience. Its aircraft were not always the fastest nor the most efficient, but they were dependable, built to endure. The successes of the Ilyushin II and the Ilyushin 76 secured Ilyushin's place in aviation history. The failure of its jetliners tell a story of challenges in a changing world. And though its future is uncertain, the wings of Ilyushin continue to fly, carrying with them a legacy of steel, sacrifice, and survival.